What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. I'm always looking for ways to improve our health, not with complex treatments, but with powerful choices we make every day. The food we eat is a cornerstone of our well-being, and some of the most potent remedies sit right in our grocery stores. Delicious and incredibly beneficial. That's a win. Today we're diving into the surprising health benefits of the world's most powerful fruit, pomegranate. I know what you're thinking. It's just a fruit. How powerful can it be? The science behind this jewel-like fruit is fascinating. We'll break down what makes pomegranate a true superfruit, from heart to brain, and even exercise. You might be shocked by what it can do. Grab a notebook, maybe a glass of pomegranate juice, and get ready to learn. We'll explore cellular benefits, look at clinical studies, and practical ways to add it to your diet. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about antioxidants. You hear the word a lot, but what does it actually mean for your body? Your cells are under attack from unstable molecules called free radicals, pollution, stress, even normal metabolism. Over time, oxidative stress drives aging and chronic disease. Antioxidants are your body's security team, neutralizing free radicals before they cause harm. Pomegranates are an antioxidant powerhouse. They contain unique, potent compounds called punicalagins and punicic acid. Studies show their juice can outpace red wine and green tea for antioxidant activity. Quick cut, side-by-side comparison. Red wine, green tea. Punicalagins are concentrated in the peel and juice, incredibly effective at protecting your cells from damage. It's like building a fortress to keep them safe and optimal. Eat a pomegranate, and you flood your system with a trained defense force. This cellular protection underpins many other benefits. A proactive way to stay healthy from the inside out. Let's move on to a critical organ, your heart. Heart disease leads global mortality, so support is a massive win. This is where pomegranates shine. Multiple human studies show impressive cardiovascular benefits. First, blood pressure. Daily pomegranate juice can help lower systolic values. Antioxidants help vessels relax and flow improve, like easing your internal plumbing. A gentle, natural way to support BP. They also help fight atherosclerosis, plaque from cholesterol, fats, and more. Plaque hardens and narrows arteries. Punicic acid and antioxidants lower bad LDL and protect it from oxidation, key to plaque formation. The result? Clearer arteries and supported heart health. Now, the silent culprit. Chronic inflammation. Acute inflammation protects you, like swelling around a cut. But when it won't turn off, it becomes chronic. It drives heart disease, type 2 diabetes, arthritis, and some cancers. Here's where pomegranates excel. Punicalagins show strong anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting inflammatory markers and pathways. Think of it as a targeted fire extinguisher for your cells. If you suffer joint pain, you know how limiting it can be. Osteoarthritis breaks down cartilage, causing pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Lab studies suggest pomegranate extract blocks enzymes that damage cartilage, potentially slowing progression and easing symptoms. Small trials in rheumatoid arthritis saw reduced tenderness, swelling, and improved symptoms. Cognitive health is priceless. Mechanism. Antioxidants protect the highly active, vulnerable brain, helping preserve neurons and function with age. Studies. Juice around surgery improved verbal and visual memory. Older adults saw memory markers improve. Your body constantly faces microbes, bacteria and fungi. Pomegranate compounds show antibacterial and antifungal effects, even against plaque bacteria and candida. It can support oral hygiene as part of a holistic routine. For athletes looking to push, last, and recover, pomegranates contain dietary nitrates, converted to nitric oxide, to widen vessels and boost blood flow. You may go longer before fatigue and recover strength faster. 7 powerful, science-backed reasons to love this superfruit. Eat the aerols, sprinkle on salads or yogurt, or enjoy 100% juice. Mind the sugar, keep it consistent.